talk about it.
Let's talk about our name. So you guys would see that our name is This or That Sports TV. If you like that name, let us know. If you don't like that name, also let us know and give us name suggestions.
Because that's unheard of.
But imagine what that could do for Jamaica right now. Imagine qualifying for the World Cup, bro, and the social impact that will have on the nation.
If we qualify for the World Cup, bro,
I can't imagine it. I'm gonna need to reach by next year December, then coming in for Qatar.
So, subscribe. The widest goal, and them literally can't score. What?
You know, quality content. So I try look like an idiot. But Joe Mara talk too much, so I just have to embarrass him real quick, isn't it?
I just don't play to you. Just you stay like Vin Blaine. I saw what I did to him, right? It's time
Yo, you can't do nothing to me.
Remember that tell you this.
So which is it? You don't recommend players or you recommend what? And if you recommend Craig players, why you wouldn't recommend yours? Game Jamaica versus USA in the National Stadium, Independence Park. We will be there.
And remember, you know, they did the same thing to Leon. Leon didn't play under 20. He wasn't called. And he wasn't called at a time when he was dominating the Belgian Pro League at 18.
In the second game, I was very frustrated. You know, I didn't score, but I'm happy the team got a win. I think after that game, I didn't sleep for 2 days.
Opportunity to play professional football. When I pedal the big kick as Jamaican, even only club do it, man, I feel it. Yo, me I feel it. Give me, I feel it. Me I feel it.
Top has been xenophobic, and that's an issue, that's an indictment, not a positive. And they say we were reading, people, that's because we were prepared. Them obviously never prepared. All them do a stuck and a buck and a shuffle. You get me, I say?
Hey! Give them a chance.
Oh, the time?
Just give them a chance.
The time,
The thief one of the goal them. A 2-1 the game end. If you want to beep it out, or you want to sleep it out, I say set up.
Really a nice day to be able to come out and be there for the team, and fortunately, yeah, 1-1 today, but I think we did ourselves proud today and we really look positive.